Sunday gone, I jump on a minibus. I really late, but it's not my fault. When we nearly reach by the terminus, I feel the bus come to a halt. Well, liquor ram goes down by the roundabout, but just as if that could not suffice, a brother run to the bus and start to shout, "You should have dead, make we buy a pound of rice. Ram good liver, good fi make manish water. Billy good teeth, make the herring for your daughter. Very good lunch, put the bite in your back. It make your daughter, it make your daughter walk and talk." Well, the news spread fast like a telegram. Nobody know where the good come from. We raise a pot and a pan from an iron man who sit down there all along. Two twos and the pot